Hello everyone, welcome again to Mrs. Singer Live. Hello, good morning, good day, good afternoon, happy holidays. Holiday. Ayan, Mrs. Tinker is going to practice. We have to practice regularly talking to camera. And I will try to do it nicely and smoothly and not talking so quickly because I speak quickly. My brain works when I speak quickly. But they say that we need to be who we are. So for today is we're going to talk about practicality. And if you like this topic, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and help me grow and I can make more content like this. So practicality in life, wala akong tripod kaya naging practical tayo. Good day everybody, welcome again, no? Practicality, ayan. Practicality is pag-usapan natin yung pagiging practical sa buhay, guys, no? Practical ka ba? Ano bang mga bagay na ginawa mo para tawagin kang maging practical, no? Anong mga karapat-dapat mong gawin para tawagin kitang practical, or anong mga bagay na maging practical tayo, guys? There's so many things na maiwasan yung ating kahirapan or yung gipit tayo sa pera kung maging practical lang tayo. Kung baga sa Pilipinas, wise ka ni, Pilipina is wise. Pero hindi lahat, no? Dahil sa karamihan ng ating mga kababayan is mahilig gastos ng gastos na hindi man lang iniisip yung kinabukasan ng kanilang mga anak. Basta kay happy-go-lucky ba? Ika nga, happy-go-lucky ang karamihan sa ating mga kababayan ng mga Pilipino. Lalo na yung mga feeling nila, umaangat na sila sa buhay, gastos na lang gastos. Pero guys, in the Philippines, we don't have security financially pagdating sa pinansyal. Kaya wala man tayong matanggap na pension mula sa gobyerno, no? So wala tayong pension, kaya kailangan natin while maaga pa tayo, while bata pa tayo, maging practical tayo, no? Mag-ipon ka rin ng pera or mag-invest ka, no? Halimbawa, mag-invest ka ng lupa, no? Natatamnan mo ng mga gulay or mga fruit trees, no? So while you are working hard for yourself para mabuo mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay, diba, kailangan, kung wala tayong pangarap, wala tayong goal, wala tayong vision, hindi ka nagsisikap sa buhay kasi happy-go-lucky ka lang. So kailangan talaga in our mind we have vision and goal and ambition. But those ambition, goals and ambition is gawin mo sa trabaho, no? Gawin sa trabaho kasi pangarap ka na ng pangarap, wala ka naman ginagawa, hanggang ambition ka lang, habang vision ka lang, yung vision mo lang hindi naging totoo ba? So yun lang ang mga bagay na maging practical tayo sa buhay. Kasi kailangan natin yan as a Pilipino. Kailangan natin yan to be more practical. Pero wag yung practical na hindi ka nakakain na sobrang kuripot na rin. Pero I have example with that. This is a true story of my niece and her boyfriend. So sobrang kuripot talaga nila, guys. Nag-aaral pa sila, yung mag-date sila, very practical, pero it's worth it, no? Tawag nga ng nanay ko is sobrang kuripot, pero doon sila naging maayos yung buhay nila, di ba? Ngayon mayaman na sila, they are very young entrepreneur in Leyte. So mayaman sila, guys. Mayroon na silang construction, mayroon na silang, basta marami na silang mga business. So balik tayo doon sa pagiging practical. Kailangan, sa example natin na yung pamangkin ko, na nung they are boyfriend and girlfriend is, kung mag-date sila, guys, magbaon sila ng kanin. Ganun sila ka-practical. Pero ngayon, guys, they can go everywhere they want to go. But, they still applying practicality in life because in the Philippines, once na mawalan ka ng negosyo, wala na. So, wala ka namang matanggap sa gobyerno na tulong na paano mo kaagad, pang negosyo na naman ulit. Ganun lang, mga guys. So, this topic is practicality, practical lang yan. Usapan lang to, guys, no? Pero based on sa aking nakikita, no? Yung example, yung pamangkin ko na mayaman na ngayon. Dahil yung pag-aangat sa buhay is hindi madali yan. Kailangan paghirapan at pagsikapan. Kasi hanggang pangarap ka na lang na magkaroon ka ng ganito, ganyan, tapos wala ka namang ginawa, wala mangyari sa buhay. So you're not practical enough. You're not practical because you're not doing hard work. Because hard work is a good work. So when we work hard, we earn. So, ganun lang mga guys, no? Mag-start na naman tayo sa ating trabaho. So, Mrs. Tinker is always here. I want to motivate. I like motivation. I like to talk about inspiration. But, most importantly, this video is practicing talking to camera so we can improve our public speaking, our confidence, paano tayo makikapag-usap sa ating camera na kaharap natin, na yung mukha natin ang kaharap natin, di ba? Alright mga guys, I'm going to start my job. So, let's work, and be practical in life. But, don't be so pragmatic, no? Kailangan mo lang yung tama lang ba, nakahanayan ba, kumbaga nakaplano, hindi lang basta-basta ka maging practical na hindi ka na kakain ng masarap na ulam. Alright everyone, bye Mrs. Tinker. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mrs. Tinker is always thinking good stuff, and I have a lot of respect whatever you decide in your life. But for me, this is my opinion and my tips for life. Bye. See you again.